Let f of x equal 3x plus 2 and g of x equal x plus 5. Find f of g of x. In place of g of x, you're going to fill in what g of x equals. So it'd be f of x plus 5. And you're still solving an f of x equation, but now you're putting g of x in place of x. So it's still going to be set equal to 3x plus 2. And everywhere in place that you see an x in the equation, you're going to put in x plus 5. So it's going to be 3x plus 5 plus 2. And then you just solve. So it's 3x plus 15 plus 2. And so your final answer is 3x plus 17.
Let gx equal 3x minus 4. Let hx equal x to the power 2 minus 1. Find g of h of x. Where you see hx, you're going to plug in x to the power 2 minus 1. And then you're going to set that to 3x minus 4 because you're solving a g of x equation with the hx equation in place of x. And then where you see the x, you're going to plug in x to the power 2 minus 1. And then you're going to solve. Final answer. F of x equal x to the power 2 plus 2x. Let g of x equal x minus 9. Find f of g of x. Where you see g of x, you're going to plug in x minus 9. And then you're going to set that equal to x to the power 2 plus 2x because you're solving an f of x equation with the gx equation in place of x. And so now where you see x, you're going to plug in x minus 9. And now you're going to solve. Your final answer will be x to the power 2 minus 16x plus 63.
Let f of x equal 2x plus 7 and let g of x equal negative 5x minus 1. Find f of g of 3. So the first step is to find g of 3. And so you're going to set this problem up like this. And wherever there's an x, you're going to put a 3 in place of it. So it's going to look like that. Negative 16 is your final answer for g of 3. So g of 3 equals negative 16. You're going to put in place of g of 3 in the equation f of g of 3. You put in a negative 16 and then solve for f of x. But now it's f of negative 16. And a negative 16 wherever there's an x in the equation, and it looks like that. And now you just solve it like normal. Your final answer for f of g of 3 is negative 25.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching our video.